for every question. Sorry. Would you rather be 4 feet 5 inches or 7 feet 7 inches? And you also have to give a reason why. 4 feet 5 inches, 7 feet 7 inches.
I think 4 feet 5 inches.
Why?
To be down to earth.
Nice. I like your answer. Would you rather have nosy neighbors or noisy neighbors?
Noisy neighbors.
Nosy neighbors. Okay, why nosy neighbors?
I don't like people to interrupt in my personal life.
No, nosy or noisy? You said nosy.
I said noisy.
Oh, okay. Okay, noisy.
Yeah.
Now, listen next to me very carefully. Would you rather not have to pay any taxes again, but work all year without any break, or have 2 months paid vacation?
Hello?
You heard my question.
Yeah, yeah, no.
Would you rather never have to pay any taxes again, but work all year without any breaks, or have 2 months paid vacations every year and pay double the taxes?
I want vacations.
2 months.
Yeah.
Not bathe for a month or not clean your teeth for a month.
Mm, not bathe for a month. I can wash my body without taking a bath, right? One day I'll clean
No
my
bathe,
hands,
no.
one day I will clean my legs. Why I'm not
Ah.
bathing? Yeah.
Would you rather choose how to die or when to die?
Mm, I think how to die.
Why?
Easy death. Why we fear death? So we feel like it will be very painful. That's why.
Okay. Would you rather buy 10 things you don't need? Would you rather buy 10 things
Hmm.
you
Yeah,
don't
sleepy
need?
today.
I'm sleepy here. Would you rather buy 10 things you don't need every time you go for shopping, or always forget the one thing you need when you go to the store?
Second one.
Why?
Otherwise, I will buy things that I don't usually need. So
Hmm.
waste of money.
Would you rather eat only your least favorite? Hmm. Sorry. Would you rather only eat your least favorite junk food or your most favorite healthy food for the rest of your life?
Of course, most favorite healthy food. It's already my favorite, so I can have it.
Uh-huh. Now, would you rather give up air conditioning, fans, and heating for the rest of your life, or give up on the internet for the rest of your life?
Internet. Yeah, I'll choose internet. I would choose.
You give up internet. You give up internet. Would you rather have a really exciting and fun job that is risky and puts your life under constant threat, or have a job that is extremely boring, a safe job, a safe one that is extremely boring?
Like uh, death threats.
Hmm?
What kind of risk?
I don't know. That's the question.
Hmm. I would choose first one if I could.
Would you rather have your flight, train, or bus to an important event cancelled, or lose all your baggage?
Lose my baggage. I don't carry much.
Would you rather never be able to go out during the day, or never be able to go out in the night?
Sorry, please repeat.
Would you rather never be able to go out during the day, or never be able to go out during the night?
Never be able to go out in the night.
Would you rather be in your pajamas or a formal outfit for the rest of your life?
Pajamas.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Would you rather have many friends that don't care about you too much, or have one very good friend who really cares?
One very good friend.
Would you rather live in Antarctica or the Sahara Desert?
I have to choose one. Antarctica.
Would you rather communicate only in emoji or never be able to text ever again?
Text. Second one.
What's your answer?
Would I? Sorry, please repeat.
Would you rather communicate only in emojis or never be able to text ever again?
It's same, I think.
Can't hear you.
It's same.
No, it's not the same.
Only emoji and I can text. So
Only
what?
emoji or never be able to text at all ever again.
Never be able to text.
Have to sew, as in stitch all your clothes, sew all your clothes, or grow your own food.
Grow my own food.
Would you rather be your own boss or work for someone else?
Of course, my own boss. No one wants to choose work.
Would you rather find a cat in your kitchen or a cockroach in your bed?
Cat is okay. I'm done with cockroaches.
Rat, rat.
Rat, then cockroaches. I'm familiar with them. Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather be too busy or too bored?
Too busy or too
Bored.
too busy.
I have a very simple question. Would you rather have unlimited battery life on all your devices or free Wi-Fi wherever you go?
Free Wi-Fi. I can
Feel
bring
too
power
cold.
bank.
Ah, okay. Feel too cold or too hot all the time.
Feel too cold. I can wear layers of clothes.
Would you rather be stuck on an island alone or with the person you find most annoying in the world?
I can't hear you clearly. Hello?
Would you rather be stuck on an island all alone or be with the person you find most annoying in the world?
If it's not risky, I'm happy alone.
If it is not, Preeti.
Not risky.
Okay. Would you rather have 7 fingers on each hand or 7 toes on each foot?
7 toes.
Why 7 toes?
I can't wear 7 fingers. Anyone can see them and comment. I can hide my toes.
Okay. Um, would you rather be forced to live the same day over and over again for a full year
And
or take 3 years of the end of your life?
take 3 years. Take 3 years.
Oversleep every day for a week or not get any sleep for 4 days?
Oversleep.
Have to work in heels or drive to work in reverse? Have to work in heels to work, by the way. Huh?
Heels.
Done.
Done.
All questions done.
I think everyone has same answer for these questions.
I don't think some answers are different.
Okay.
Hmm.
My feedback.
To be honest, there's no feedback for this today's topic because there wasn't much talking. Only answering.
Yeah, that's true. So, how did you spend your day?
Sleeping.
And still sleepy.
Actually, I'm a little sleepy today. Yeah.
A new word for being sleepy.
A bit sleepy. I don't know if drowsy can be used. I'll do it. I'll still force it.
Drowsy.
Drowsy.
And what is the opposite of
Drowsy.
oversleep?
Overslept.
Undersleep?
Underslept. Underslept.
Okay.
Opposite of oversleep is underslept. Underslept. I came home late last night, so I'm a little sleepy.
It's okay.